Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series. So today you will learn the green smoky eye, the neon green one, and here we are taking the yellow shade with the help of blending brush and blending it towards the outer edges of the eye and all over the eyelid, as you can see. If you want to see the colors I have taken, kindly reverse the video and you can take the screenshot. The palette I am using, that is pretty all set UCANBE, and the brushes I am using is the set of Bellie. Now using the green one eyeshadow with the help of flat applicator, applying it towards the outer edges of the eye. Again taking the black eyeshadow and blending it over the outer edges of the eye to give in the more depthness to the color. Again using the yellow eyeshadow, blending it to the inner corner or over the eyelid. We are creating a partial smoky kind of eye, blending it in circular movement with the help of blending brush. As you can see how beautifully it blends. Again taking the big blending brush and blur out the crease lines. Applying the pressed glitter eyeshadow. In the color silver. Now look after lashes from Bombay Vanity with the number H22. Now going to do the under eye, and for this I am using the Chamvok Beauty ka Kajal pencil, applying it to the lower lash line of the eye. Doing the under eye smudging with the help of smudging brush. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye, as you can see in the video. So here is the final look in front of you. If you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. I will respond it as soon as possible. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing.